In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel premium on Roblox Mobile. So open your Roblox application, and then at the bottom menu, tap on the three horizontal lines. And as you can see here, this is where you can view your premium account or your premium plan, but there is no cancel button here. So what we need to do is scroll down until you find the settings. Click on settings and then tap on billing. So in here, you will see the cancel button here, but I don't have that because my premium account is already expired. But this is where you should cancel your premium account on Roblox Mobile. Just go ahead and tap the cancel your premium account in here. But if you want to get premium account again, just go ahead and click the premium, and then you can now start select your premium plan. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.